Fellow wildlife enthusiasts. In this video, I present the humpback whale, a large and magnificent whale that visits and feeds in the St. Lawrence Marine Park, easily recognized by its fluke display when diving. I have packed many interesting facts into 12 quiz questions, followed by detailed answers and explanations. Not sure how to identify the humpback whale on a whale watching tour? By watching this video to the end, you will not only learn a lot about the humpback whale, but also gain the knowledge and skills needed to identify this species. Without further ado, let's have some fun and start the quiz. Has the humpback whale a worldwide distribution? Yes, they are found in all major oceans, both in the northern and southern hemisphere, in tropical, temperate and polar waters. It migrates seasonally between feeding grounds in colder regions and breeding grounds in warmer regions. Is the humpback whale an endangered species? No, globally the species is listed as least concern. Humpback whales were once hunted to the brink of extinction, but thanks to conservation efforts, their populations have significantly recovered. However, some specific populations are still considered endangered or vulnerable due to localized threats such as habitat loss, entanglement in fishing gear, and ship strikes. Is the humpback whale the largest whale species? No, it is not. While this whale species can grow to between 15 and 19 meters in length and weigh approximately 40 tons, they are overshadowed by the blue whale, which can reach over 30 meters in length and weigh more than 150 tons. Does the humpback whale have the longest flippers of any whale? Yes, this whale species has long and slender pectoral fins that can grow to nearly 5 meters in length, accounting for about 1/3 of the whale's body length. These flippers aid in maneuvering in the water and are used in communication and play when flapping on the water surface. Does the humpback whale have a dorsal fin? Yes, it does. Humpback whales have a small, often hooked dorsal fin on their backs, which helps them steer and stabilize in the water. The shape and size of the dorsal fin can vary among individuals and populations. Does this humpback whale have teeth? No, it does not. Humpback whales are baleen whales, which means they have plates made of keratin in their mouths that act as filters to trap small prey like krill and fish. Humpback whales feed by taking in large amounts of water and then closing their mouths, forcing the water out through the baleen plates. Does the humpback whale have predators? Yes, it does. This whale species faces natural threats from orcas and large sharks. Additionally, humpback whales are vulnerable to human-related threats such as entanglement in fishing gear, ship strikes, and noise pollution. Does the humpback whale exhibit sexual dimorphism? No, there are just minimal physical and morphological differences which are not easily observable in the field. There are behavioral differences, particularly during the breeding season. Males are known for their complex songs and display behaviors to attract females and compete with other males. Does the humpback whale hunt alone? No, it doesn't. Humpback whales are social creatures that form temporary groups called pods. These pods can range from just a couple of individuals to more than 20. And their composition can change frequently. Pods may cooperate in activities such as feeding, mating, or defending against predators. Does the humpback whale eat only krill? No, it does not. This whale species is an opportunistic feeder, meaning it can adapt to different food sources depending on availability and location. While it mainly consumes krill, it also includes small fish, squid, octopus, and even salmon in its diet. Is the humpback whale well studied in the field of animal behavior? Yes, the humpback whale is one of the most well-studied whale species in the field of animal behavior. Several aspects of their behavior have been extensively researched, including the complex, lengthy, and wide-reaching songs of male humpback whales, their migration patterns between polar feeding regions and tropical breeding grounds, cooperative feeding techniques, social structure, and breaching and other surface behavior. Is the humpback whale easy to identify? Yes, humpback whales are relatively easy to identify due to several distinctive features. Their fluke, small, often hooked dorsal fin, long pectoral fins, and knobby head. Additionally, there are behavioral clues such as raising the fluke when diving, breaching the surface, and flapping the pectoral fins on the water surface.